Unreal Engine merchandise. If you're like me learning Unreal Engine, chances are at one point on your Unreal Engine journey, you've probably Googled Unreal Engine t-shirt or merchandise and probably wondered how you can get your hands on a Unreal Engine t-shirt. Now, me personally, years ago, I actually reached out to an employee that works over at Epic Games. I call him my inside guy, and I was pretty desperate for an Unreal Engine t-shirt or just some swag or a hat or something. So basically, this is what I said in the email. Hello, Evan. I'm inquiring today to see if there's any chance that I'd be able to get some Unreal Engine merchandise such as a t-shirt or a hoodie to wear in my videos. Let me know if this is possible. And basically he replied, hey Liam, although currently this is not an inquiry a Mega Grant can handle, I'm aware that we have a merchandise agreement with Amazon and I would check there for merchandise. So yeah, I went over to Amazon.com and checked in to see if they had Unreal Engine merchandise on there. They obviously don't. So yeah, they definitely do not sell official t-shirts on there, but really currently there's only two methods on the planet to get yourself a official Unreal Engine t-shirt. Either number one, you are an Epic employee and at that point you work at Epic. They have apparently a whole closet full of t-shirts, hoodies, water bottles, all that stuff, and they can just give it to you for free because you are employed at Epic Games. So that's option number one. Either you work at Epic Games as an employee, or option number two, you have to spend a lot of money to go to Unreal Fest every single year, and you'll get one small swag bag with, one Unreal Engine t-shirt and maybe some other different things. Not very good options if you ask me, but now what if I told you there was actually a third option and a potentially better option? Introducing SmartPolyShop.com. Guys, I got tired of waiting for Epic to create their own official Unreal Engine merchandise store, so I decided to create my own online shop called SmartPolyShop.com that features tons of Unreal Engine themed merchandise and different designs. We've got tons of original custom t-shirt designs. Nothing in the shop is AI generated, so I actually commission actual artists to draw up the art that you see on the screen. I came up with all of the different designs that you see in the store and basically just had the artists illustrate them. And right now I'm running a limited time 35% off launch sale store-wide, so that means that you can get everything that you see here for 35% off. So you guys definitely do not want to miss out on this limited time sale. So yeah, this is one of the different designs. This is the Unreal Engine 4 mannequin in the infamous orange chair, waving at the camera. I really love how this one turned out. This is probably one of my favorites. And if you guys don't wear t-shirts, don't worry, I got you covered. I got the design on the coffee mug right here as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys all the different designs that we have on the store. Next up, we have this mannequin t-shirt. As you can see, this is like the SK Manny character or the Unreal Engine 5 character, as you can see here. So we got a full body. And I really like the design here on the back because it looks like it's the Unreal Engine logo with like the white circle, but it's actually not. It's just a white circle. And all the designs that we have in the shop come on a t-shirt as well as a mug. So if you guys are wanting that same design on a coffee mug, something like that, we have you covered. Next up, we have the Event Tick Hello t-shirt, which is honestly one of my favorites. You have the Event Tick over there and it's just printing off a string hello over and over. And this one also comes on the mug, so you guys can check out what the mug looks like right there. I honestly think this one turned out really nice, especially the style of the text and all that stuff. The artist who created this did a really good job. All right, next up we have the default grid material t-shirt. So as you can see, this thing is all over print. So basically what that means is they print on every single surface of the t-shirt. So it's on the front as well as the back, as you can see. And it's basically just the default grid material that you see on objects in Unreal Engine where they don't have, a material applied to the mesh. So really neat design. This one's actually a little bit more expensive than the other t-shirts that I have in there because they have to take apart the shirt. So it's like 6 different pieces that they have to print on and they have to sew it all back together. But I really love the way that it turned out, especially the tiling of it. It just really looks neat having this. Next up, another one of my personal favorites, the Unreal Engine 5.5 t-shirt. So as you can see, it says 5.5 and it has sort of this nanite design. So you can see the text is in nanite and you can see all the different triangles in it. Really cool design. I love it a lot. And it's also on a coffee mug if you want to get that as well. But yeah, I love the color and contrast on this, just the different colors on the triangles. All the designs on the t-shirts you can get in different colors. So if you just go on the website, you can select and choose what color of t-shirt you want to change the design onto, and you can preview what it will look like. The main colors that we have are white, black, gravel, graphite heather, dark heather, and charcoal. So it's sort of like a gray, black, white theme. you'll honestly be impressed to know that a lot of developers wear a lot of black. I mean, attending Unreal Fest, if you just look into the crowd of people, everyone is wearing a black t-shirt. So black is a very common color of t-shirt in the development community. But if you guys have a different color of t-shirt in mind, let me know and suggest it down in the comments, because there's a whole ton of other different colors to pick from. I just picked just a few that I personally liked. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below. Now the next design is the S-Actor logo, or the billboard logo. Basically, this is like the Unreal Dragon icon from the Unreal Engine, and there's a neat lore or story behind it. But yeah, I really like how the design turned out. The artist did a really good job on this one, and it really looks neat on the white t-shirt background. You guys can get it in different colors like I mentioned before. So this is what it looks like on, a gray t-shirt. And of course, we have the design on the coffee mug, which is honestly one of my favorites. It just surprises me that they haven't released a t-shirt design like this, and honestly, they probably never will. So make sure you guys pick it up on smartpolyshop.com. Next up, we have the Manny, SK Manny, and Quinn. So as you can see, we have Manny over here and Quinn on the right, and they're kind of just chilling together. They have, the peace sign up there. Really like how this cartoony style was drawn up. As you can see, this has got to be one of my favorite designs from this artist. He actually did a lot of the work on all the different art on the shop. There's a couple other t-shirt designs that I don't have right now to show you guys, but I can show you guys the pictures on the website. So we have this mannequin cameraman design. This is one of my favorite designs. Again, this is by another one of the artists that does probably half of the artwork here on the shop. So you can see he's holding the camera actor right there. He's kind of looking through the camera. And of course, we have it on the coffee mug as well. Then we have the UE4 mannequin holding, the FP weapon, or the first person weapon, shooting the yellow ball. Just, a funny light design. And next up, we have the mannequin cameraman. Again, this is sort of like the cameraman pointing and recording like this reporter, but it's, the UE5 mannequin over there. So yeah, we got that on the t-shirt as well as a coffee mug. Yeah, those are all pretty much the t-shirt designs on the shop. Those are just the ones that I didn't have copies to show you guys because I just added them to the shop. They're brand new. As for the mug designs, here are all the different mugs. This is not all of the designs, again, because I don't have some of the newer designs that I just added. Things like the mannequin cameraman designs. But yeah, as you can see here, we have the compiler error coffee mug. Basically, this is like the thumbs up if we have the green on our compile button. Then we have the yellow compile button, and of course the error compile button, so we have the thumbs down there. Pretty neat design. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Of course, we have the dragon coffee mug, or the S-Actor logo, or the dragon logo, whatever you want to call it. Next up, we have the SK mannequin sitting in the yellow chair waving at the camera. I have this on a white and black coffee mug, so if you guys want to check that out, head over to the shop. Honestly, I love the way that the chair looks. It's such an iconic part of Unreal Engine. Like when you open up the default starter level, you just see this yellow chair. Or if you go into the starter content, you just see the chair mesh or the couch mesh. Just very iconic static meshes that come in the engine. Next up, we have the default grid material coffee mug. So you see we have that nice default grid pattern on the coffee mug. It looks like it doesn't have a material applied to it. So yeah, just a funny design on that one. And of course, we have the thumbs up coffee mug. So it's like the Unreal Engine 5 mannequin's hand where he's holding up a thumbs up. We have it on white and black coffee mug, and I don't think I actually have this design on a t-shirt, so maybe I should slap it on a t-shirt. Let me know if you guys want to see something like that. Of course, next up we have the Manny and Quinn coffee mug. And I actually didn't get this in time to make this video, so I don't have any footage of it. You're just going to have to see the pictures. Again, I just didn't receive it in time to make the video. Then, of course, we have the Unreal Engine 5.5 coffee mug. So it has sort of this nanite 5.5 design where you can see the triangles. Honestly, I just love the contrasting color between, the triangles, the different color on that, and then the black coffee mug color. Also, another one of the t-shirt designs is the default cube. So, the default cube that you find in the third person and first person level. Very iconic blue cube that we've all probably seen a lot in Unreal Engine. Yeah, who knows? Some people like simple designs, funny designs like this. I'll be interested to hear you guys' thoughts on some of the different designs in the comments. Next up, we have the Manny coffee mug. So you can see we have the white and black coffee mug as well. And this design in particular, you can see like the white circle behind it. It kind of looks like it's the Unreal Engine logo, like he's standing in front of it, but it's just a white circle. So it's pretty neat how that one turned out. It looks actually really nice. Then of course we have the Vent-Tick coffee mug, their Vent-Tick print string hello. So, you know, just a little programmer humor. Some other different products other than the coffee mugs and the t-shirts. We have a Manny and Quinn poster. So if you want to hang this up in your room somewhere. We got the Blueprint Graph mouse pad. So this is a pretty neat little thing that comes in different sizes. So you can see I have the extra large mouse pad over here on my desk. And I honestly like the design of this. It looks like the Blueprint Graph. So, you know, it says Blueprint right there. A very sleek and nice mouse pad. And it comes in 3 different sizes. So if you want to get the extra large or, you know, a medium sized mouse pad or just a small size. I actually don't have any footage of the small size mouse pad. So I'll just throw a picture up here on the screen. I'll be adding more different types of designs for these later on as well. So make sure to check back on that. Also, we have the default grid material socks. These are just, you know, socks with the default grid material applied to them. Pretty funny design. And yeah, those are pretty much all the different products on the shop that I have right now. I'll be eager to hear you guys' feedback on some of the different designs. And I want to hear what type of products you guys want to see on the shop in the future. I don't have things like hoodies or hats or anything like that. So I'd be interested to hear if you guys want products like that with some of the designs on them. Just let me know in the comments down below. And, you know, maybe if you have suggestions for a different design, feel free to share it, because honestly, there's a lot of creative things that you can come up with, and there's a lot of iconic things to Unreal Engine that would look pretty nice on a t-shirt or a hoodie or a mug or something like that. But yeah, check out the products on smartpolyshop.com. Right now I'm running a 35% off sale on everything store wide, so if you guys want to check out any of the different products, you'll get a 30% off automatically applied to anything that you buy here on the shop. So yeah, check it out, smartpolyshop.com. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.